If you are looking for a way to get more grip on your motorcycle, well, this frame grip tape from Attack Graphics has you covered. All right, everyone, so today we're taking a quick look at this frame grip tape coming from Attack Graphics. So this frame grip tape designed to go right to the frame of your motorcycle, and it just gives some added grip between your boots and the frame of the bike. Now, if you've ever been to a motocross race or a supercross, a works or GNCC, you'll notice that just about all the pros use this on their bikes because they like the added grip, and I'm one of them. I have this actually on my 18 RMZ 450, and I do like the added grip that it does give me. Now, if you look closely, you'll see that it's made from a 22 mil vinyl, and you can see on the outside it's got that coarse texture to it, and that's what's giving that added grip. And what's awesome about this stuff is that one, awesome price point, you can be right around 15 bucks, and also you're gonna get actually multiple sets when you pick some up. Now, one thing you do want to keep in mind with the grip tape is that if you're an aggressive rider and you really squeeze the bike hard when you're riding, just know that eventually you are going to wear through it, but that's why we give you multiple sets. So when one set is worn out, you can just take it off and you can apply the second set. Now, when you are applying your frame grip tape, you do want to keep in mind that it's very important that you clean the frame of the bike as best you can. We recommend using a contact cleaner. You just want to clean off the frame before you apply it, but it's really easy to do. It's going to be pre-cut, so all you're going to do is literally just peel the grip tape off and then apply it to your bike. Very easy to do. And there it is. That is the frame grip tape coming from Attack Graphics. Again, awesome price point. You get multiple sets, and as you can see on the table, a lot of cool colorways to choose from. And also, I just think it looks good on the bikes. I think it gives that factory look, you know, it's something that I think a lot of riders are after. So when you're picking these up, it's real simple. Just enter the make, the model, and the year of your bike, and you will be good to go. If you guys have any questions about this, you can comment below, give us a call or chat live online. We will get your questions answered. And if you like this product spotlight, you want to see more like it, well, do not miss out. Just click subscribe to us on YouTube, and that will keep you up to date. I'm Chase here at Rocky Mountain, and we'll see you on the trails.